Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Star Gloink from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the center and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with the left one by drawing a circle. Now let's hop over and draw the right eye with a larger circle that's slightly higher. Next, let's hop in and let's draw a circle inside each eye. And then another one inside each of these. And now let's color both of the rings in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's draw the shape of the star. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw an angled line down to the left eye. And the same thing on the right. Now from the left line, let's bring it outwards. And the same thing from the right, but coming out from the eye. Now from both ends, let's angle it down and in. Now let's angle it down and out from both sides. Now let's angle it back up, meeting to a point in the center. And that's it for the body. Now let's add some details to give it a 3D shape. From the side points, let's angle it down. And then angle it back in like this. Now let's hop down to the bottom points and let's draw a straight line down on both sides. And then another line down from the center. And then draw two angles to close off the bottom. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's move in and add the mouth. Underneath the eyes, let's draw a curve up to the left and let's bring it back into the center. And the same on the right. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve across. And then another one underneath. And that's it for the Star Gloink. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!